Hi, you are connected to the Retro Computers channel, and today we're gonna talk about this beautiful piece named iPad 1. I love this device. This is a very heavy-duty device. It has a very long battery life, a nice screen, no cameras, and a very old iOS. But it's very cheaper. You can buy it for relatively nothing in comparison to many other devices. I will tell you what, you can find a numerous of new Android small tab devices from China that will cost probably equal or more than this, and they are just piece of shit. The battery doesn't last, the device has a terrible screen, terrible performance, and you're just throwing away money. This device, on the other hand, the iPad 1, still is very reliable to you. So what can you do with this despite reading books, listen to your songs, watch the programs, the movies you bought on the iTunes for yourself? Actually, that was a main concern for me because I really love take this guy under my arms. I have a very old leather cover for this and walk around. And I am also a STEAM teacher, so I like to teach kids how to learn plain coding, drawing, 3D printing. As you know, I have a 3D print. So I was looking around for some interfaces that will help kids to learn how to code, and I found out this app named HandBASIC. It's an amazing device. Not only it emulates the Commodore BASIC, but it is a full OS inside the iPad. You have a file system, you can save, you can load files, you can drag and drop BAS files from your iTunes computer into this iPad. You can write your new code and save it. It even has graphical resources that you can't find on the Commodore BASIC unless you use pick and poke commands. Here you don't have pick and poke commands, you have the very same commands from BASIC on Commodore BASIC, but you have a little more commands to help you on the graphical side. So I want to invite you to join me in exploration of this app. It's a remarkable app, and this can borrow some extra life from this old device. Let's check in the computer. So for this demonstration, I'm gonna be using the iPad 2, not the one, because this one I can mirror the screen with my Mac, and so I can record the screen. Nonetheless, the program is the same. I will open the CMB HandBASIC, and you're gonna see this gorgeous blue screen, just like the one in the Commodore, including the name Commodore 64 BASIC V2. So you can see this is an emulation in all senses. I can very well come here and tell a command, print hello, run, oh yes, bugs. So I can, as I was saying, come here and say print hello, run, and will print hello as expected. I have the CLS command, probably came from the macOS, probably came from MS-DOS. Nonetheless, I have a file system, as I was saying. I can type files, and I will see a very large list of programs, like let's load one. Load. This is case sensitive, so I will try to load code to see what it is. I did not even check all of this. List. Here we have a very good game, code breaker game. Oh, this is interesting. Let's run it. So select the difficulty. I will choose normal. Number of tries 6. So I have to enter a four letters code from A to F. Let me see, A, B, C, D. None. So B, C, D, E. None. D, E, F, A. Oh, F is 1. So let's try BCFAFB. 2. Let's try CDFB. Yes! This is the game. Actually, as anyone on this channel knows, this was pretty much how you play games on the old age. You type a very long list of commands, you have 2 minutes of entertainment after 1 hour of typing. Nonetheless, I can type my own program, let's say new, a new CLS, and now I can type in my own program, let me say print CLS, oops, typo, print 20, I will say print tab 22 menu, and then we will give some lines to enter the options. Print, oops, print. And now I will enter the options. Let me say print tab 10 1 start print tab 10. Actually, as you all know, the spaces are not required on Commodore BASIC. To info and print tab 10 exit. Oh, I forgot the number 3. Exit. Since I'm here, let me put some spaces before the answer. Maybe I can squeeze just another command on that line. Yes. Now on the for line, I will put print tab 22 what's gonna be and line 50 input A, run. This is my game. I didn't make any choices yet, but as you can see, I can make a game. Let's save this game. Save. Simple quiz. Simple, oh, no spaces. Simple quiz.bas. Files. Sure enough, here is simple quiz. Okay, now what about that graphical resources we have? Let me show you. Plot 3D, load, plot 3D, bas, run. Oh, I have to restore my purchases. Thank you very much. Try again, run. Amazing, huh? Let me see something new. Files. Draw is very cool. Draw, bath, list. Not a very long one, as you can see. Run. Ta-da-da! So I want to show you this very resourceful program that we can use on the old iPad 1, if you will, and we can actually use it to teach or to learn or to remember or to play basic games. This is very nice. We have a very nice companion book if you want to. A basic computer games, the 8-bit guy show on its show. 101 basic games, text games, so you can expand your next vacation doing this. Well, I hope you like it. Push that button if you like it, subscribe if you will, so you can continue receiving this amazing resourceful training on BASIC for iPad based on Commodore. And thank you so much for your time. See you next video.